Right, guys, I'm going to cover Heikin-Ashi candles and the reason why we use them in our trading room, and the reason why I think you should try and have a go at using them yourself. So, Heikin-Ashi candles, what are they? Well, actually, they're calculated a bit differently from other candles. They smooth out the price action, they filter out the noise and all the minor fluctuations in the market, making trends a lot easier to look at. They confirm reversal patterns, and they're much clearer and more reliable charts to use than normal candles. Very good for momentum trading strategies. It smooths out the trend, lets you know when to get in and to stay in, rather than observing an individual candle spiking in the wrong direction, making your emotions run wild, and you're getting out. So it simplifies analysis as well. It's great visualization. Basically, the formula, I'm not going to go into the formula maths. You can look Heikin-Ashi up if you like to find it yourself. But it eliminates the gaps that can occur between candles and creates a continuous, smooth pattern for you to trade. After all, we're here to trade and take money out of the market, not to be upset by little fluctuations in what's happening. So color coding is simple. It's red for going down, green for going up, just like any other candles, really. They work really, really well for momentums. If you like to use relative strength, they're great for that. They're great to time entries, exit and exits. Entries and exits, I should say, for example, overbought, oversold levels are good combinations. Stop losses, well, it's very easy to sort out where your stop losses are going to be because of the visualization. Overall, Heikin-Ashi candles give you an advantage, and we'll go in and we'll have a little look at, and we'll go through this chart now. This is set to Heikin-Ashi visualization, and the candles you can see all nice and smooth. You can quite clearly see when it's red, when the market's going down, and when the market has actually reversed and gone up, just to show you old school, or should I say candlesticks. Candlesticks, there you go. All a little bit jagged, green, red, green, red, green, red, all over the place. And then a view on Heikin-Ashi smooths it all out, keeps you in the trade. This is a typical 1 hour view. We can go down and go down. You can quite clearly see the nice smoothing of the market coming down. I'll just flick that back to the normal old school, and there you go. So there's a bit of a muddle. Where do you go? Where do you hold the trade? Is this a reversal or not? Change to Heikin-Ashi candles, and gives you your answer. Stay in the trade until you get a reversal. They're very, very good. I think you'll find once you use Heikin-Ashi, there'll be no going back. It'll give you so much more confidence in trading the markets again on a smaller time frame. Lovely 5-minute bounces, old school candlesticks. Still get the structure of the bounce, but where's your confidence in the trade? Really isn't one, is there? So if you suffer from emotions of getting in the trade and knowing when to stay and when to get out of the trade, let the Heikin-Ashi do it for you. We're in until we're out. We're in until we're out. So on and so forth. We're in until we're out. Very, very good. Very good way of trading. So what we'll do now, I'll do a little overlay of both the Heikin-Ashi and the normal candles. I'll show you quick, easy tips, how to get in, how to get out using Heikin-Ashi. Right, so here we've got an overlay as a set of wood, not necessarily an overlay, but we've got normal candlesticks at the bottom on the chart, same chart, QEUSD 5-minute charts, and we've got Heikin-Ashi candles on the top and old school candles on the bottom. Both follow the same pattern, going in up and down. But where do you get in here? Do you get in here? Do you get in here? Where do you actually get in and where do you come out? And quite easy on the Heikin-Ashis to actually understand that. Just for an example, this is what we call a potential 5-minute reversal candle. What I'm putting in here is the entry position under the first red Heikin-Ashi, and we're going to put our stop just above the swing high here. Another one here. This would be another trade here using Heikin-Ashi, and another trade here using Heikin-Ashi, and another trade here using Heikin-Ashi. And as you can see, they all come in, and we'll clear all these off. I should have hit delete all, shouldn't I? But never mind, I've done it all now. So nice clarity on Heikin-Ashi candles, and it can get even better when you're. Here we go. I can do this now. Delete all drawn objects. Delete them all. So that's great. So you can see the nice smoothing this forever. You can quite clearly see where the market is a little bit choppy and how that Heikin-Ashi smooths things out. We do this every day. Now, live trading room, and we use Heikin-Ashi all the time for very high probability setups. I hope that was useful to you, and hopefully you'll have a go at Heikin-Ashi. Once you've done it, you won't go back. Cheers.